The wonders of elderberry, unraveling the secrets of this powerful plant. The berry that's elder and wiser when it comes to wellness. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the elderberry plant, which has many uses and a long history. We will explore its uses, cultural significance, and scientific studies related to it. If you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Let's start our exciting journey into the world of elderberry. Elderberry, or Sambucus, is a genus of flowering plants that belong to the Adoaceae family. The most well-known species, Sambucus nigra, is native to Europe and North America and is recognized by its clusters of small, white flowers and dark purple berries. Elderberries have been used for centuries for their medicinal, culinary, and even spiritual properties, which we'll explore in greater depth throughout this video. Elderberries have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in European and Native American cultures. Some of the most common applications include immune system support. Elderberries have been used to help prevent and treat various infections, including the common cold and flu. 2. Digestive aid. The plant has been used to help alleviate digestive issues such as constipation and diarrhea. 3. Respiratory health. Elderberries have been used as a natural remedy for coughs, colds, and other respiratory ailments. Today, elderberry is still widely used in herbal medicine, and research continues to explore its potential therapeutic properties. Some modern applications include 1. Immune system support. Elderberry is commonly used as a dietary supplement to help support the immune system, especially during cold and flu season. 2. Antioxidant properties. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and promote overall health. 3. Heart health. Some research suggests that elderberry may have positive effects on heart health, such as reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation. Beyond its medicinal uses, elderberry has played a role in various cultural practices throughout history. In European folklore, the elder tree has been associated with magic and protection. It was often believed that planting an elder tree near one's home could ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. Additionally, the berries have been used to create various culinary delights, such as jellies, wines, and syrups. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the potential therapeutic effects of elderberry. Researchers have been conducting studies to better understand its properties and potential benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand and validate its efficiency. For example, a 2019 meta-analysis found that elderberry supplementation could help reduce the duration and severity of colds in air travelers. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the most effective dosage and form of administration. As we near the end of our exploration of elderberry, let's take a look at some intriguing facts about this powerful plant. 1. There are several species of elderberry, but the two most commonly used for medicinal purposes are Sambucus nigra, European elder, and Sambucus canadensis, American elder. 2. The name elder is thought to be derived from the Anglo-Saxon word eld, which means fire, possibly due to the use of the plant's hollow stems as blowpipes for starting fires. 3. Elderberries should never be consumed raw, as they contain a compound called sambunigrin, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Cooking the berries destroys this compound, making them safe to eat. While elderberry is generally considered safe for most people when used appropriately, it's important to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Some people may experience allergic reactions or other side effects. Additionally, individuals taking certain medications or with specific health conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before using elderberry. And there you have it, our short journey into the mesmerizing world of elderberry. We've explored its diverse uses, cultural significance, and ongoing scientific research surrounding this extraordinary plant. I hope you found this video both informative and captivating. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more spellbinding content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!